Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your home. Now, in my last class, we had completed chapter 13 and we had completed chapter 11 and 12 and 13. And now today we will start chapter 14. Okay. So, the name of chapter is Articles a and the. Use of a and an. First of all, we will study a and an, use of a and an. Here you can see what is written here, that use of a and an has a simple rule to follow. All we have to do to listen to the phonic sounds. When a singular noun begins with vowel a, e, I, o, u sound, use an, and if the sound is that of consonant, then we use a. Here just you have to use the sound. You have to take care of the sound, that what phonic sound is coming from that word, by that particular word. If the phonic sound is of vowel, we all know that how many vowels are there: a, e, I, o, u. These are vowels, and the except a, e, I, o, u, the rest of the letters which comes, we use a with them. The rest of the letters except a, e, I, o, u are called consonants. Okay, so here I want to tell you in details in a simple language that हम a and an, you can say a and an, कहाँ use करते हैं? We just use these two, a and an, in vowels and consonant. But where we use a and where we use an, do you know? हम use करते हैं a and an use करते हैं with vowels, and a use करते हैं with consonant. हमें पता है vowels कितने होते हैं? 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Okay, so we just have to be careful. हमें बस ये ध्यान रखना है that हमें लेटर देख के अपने a and an पुट नहीं करना है, कि हमने लेटर देखा वहाँ पे कि वॉवल है कि कॉन्सोनेंट है, एंड वी आर पुटिंग वी जस्ट हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द साउंड. हमें साउंड के ऊपर, इफ द साउंड इज कमिंग ऑफ वॉवल देन वी हैव टू पुट एन, if sound is coming of consonant then we have to put a. Understood? So let's complete the rest of the chapter. Let's understand the use of a and an with the help of examples. Here you can see some examples are given: a letter, a boy, a banana, an umbrella, an honest, an aeroplane, an orange. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Hint: remember, it is the sound that matters and not the letter. Okay, so यहाँ पे लिखिए properly, it is written there कि sound is important, not letter. If letter is written u, sometimes if you see letter is written u, लेकिन वहाँ पे हमें a use करना पड़ता है. Why? Because of the sound. Because sound is coming of, if sound is coming of consonant, then we have to put a. If sound is coming of vowel, then we have to use n. Okay, now here you can see first question. Rahul asked for dash cup of milk, a cup of milk. It takes an hour. Here you can see h. H is consonant, but we are using an. Why? Because the sound of this word is coming in vowels. R, R, which is O, R. To reach this school, if you add an onion, onion to the gravy, it tastes good. Rest of the exercise, student, you all have to do by yourself. Let's pronounce the following: unicorn, European, unicorn, sorry, uniform, European, and unicorn. Here now here is a something different thing is written here. All these words begin with phonic sound u. Okay, the sound is coming from these words is y-o-u. Uniform, European, unicorn, which is a consonant sound. हमें एक consonant sound मिल रहा है which starts with y. Y is consonant. Hence we say a uniform, a European, a unicorn. Okay, now move to the next page. Here you can see Honor, honor, honest. Both these words begin with the phonic sounds O. Honor, honest. O. A vowel sound, hence we say an honest man. It's an honor because H is silent in these words. Okay, in these words H is silent, so we pronounce them like honor, honest. More about A and an. A and an are called indefinite articles. These are indefinite articles. This means A and an are used when we do not talk about a particular person or particular thing. He lives in a city. Here we are not talking about a particular city. Here is a just a normal city. ऐसी नॉर्मल सिटी जिसका अभी यहाँ पे नेम मेंशन नहीं है, दैट्स वाई इट्स नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर सिटी. ही लिव्स इन अ सिटी. कैन यू गेस अबाउट विच सिटी इन दिस सेंटेंस? क्या आपको पता है यहाँ पे किस सिटी के बारे में बात हो रही है? वी डोंट नो. ओके, सो इट्स अ नॉर्मल सिटी, इट्स नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर सिटी. किसी पर्टिकुलर सिटी का नाम नहीं लिखा है यहाँ पे. नाउ नो, इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर एट ऑल, देयरफॉर वी यूज अ. इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे अ यूज कर रहे हैं. ए एंड एन क्या है? इनडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स है, ध्यान रखना है सबको. यूज ऑफ द. द इज अ डेफिनेट आर्टिकल. द क्या है? डेफिनिट आर्टिकल. वाई? बिकॉज ये हमें पर्टिकुलर चीज के बारे में, पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, पर्टिकुलर प्लेस के बारे में प्रॉपरली बताता है विद देयर नेम्स. We use the when we refer to the particular person, things or place. In short, we are clear about the person, place or thing. He lives in the city of Agra. Here you can see the city of Agra. The name of city is written here. That's why we are using the. The hospital is near our house. Here we are talking about that particular hospital which is near our house. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable articles a, an or the. Wherever, where required. Here we have to use a and the. I've already written here two questions you have to do. Ankur borrowed a red polo neck t-shirt we bought yesterday. I like to take a muffin and a fruit to school. It's an honor to be the monitor of the class. Okay, so rest of the questions you have to do. Understanding the use of the. The is not used before proper noun. ध्यान रखना है कि प्रॉपर नाउन के पहले कभी भी यूज नहीं होता था. द इज यूज्ड बिफोर द नेम्स. द यूज्ड होते हैं इन नेम्स के आगे. माउंटेन रेंजेस, रिवर, ओशन के नेम्स के आगे द यूज किया जाता है. लाइक यू कैन सी द हिमालयाज, द गंगा, द इंडियन ओशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज. Here you can see we also use the before certain religious book, unique things and monuments. The Taj Mahal, the sun, the Qutub Minar. These all are unique, something unique. Okay, monuments, and this is universal, unique thing. Fill in the blanks with a, n or the. Here again we have to put a, n or the. The Pacific Ocean. So here you can see the Pacific Ocean has a huge variety of fishes. Give me an apple from the basket. The neem tree is very useful. Okay. Now students, you all have to complete rest of the questions by yourself and this exercise. I hope that you all can do this exercise very easily because you all are very smart and bright kids. Now move to the next chapter. Here we are in our next chapter, which is chapter 15, verbs. Read the sentences given below. Meena goes to school every day. Meena goes to school every day. Birds fly in the sky. Babies cry when they are hungry. Here some words are written in bold, you can see. Goes, fly, cry. The words goes, fly and cry are doing words. They tell what Meena, birds and babies do. They are called verbs. They are doing words. These words are telling that what Meena, birds and babies are doing. And these words are called verbs. ये कौन से वर्ड्स हैं? ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो हमें बता रहे हैं कि मीना, बर्ड्स एंड बेबीज क्या कर रहे हैं. उनके वर्क बता रहे हैं. सो बेसिकली दीज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड डूइंग वर्ड्स और verbs. And definition is given here. You all have to write this definition on your notebook in the grammar section. Let's move to the exercise. A. Underline the verbs in these sentences. यहाँ पे हमें verbs को underline करना है. I hope that you all know that what is verb. So verbs are doing words. You just have to find out the verbs and put underline. Eat your breakfast quickly. Eat, we underline. My sister sings well. Here sings we underline because it is a work that my sister is doing. The dog barks at night. Barks we underline. So rest of the exercise you have to do. Well, I have already underlined some word, you can see here, and you have to do on in this book. Okay, now is am are. Sorry, am is are. Read these sentences. I am a dancer. The dog is very active. The chairs are new. Here some words are also written in bold. These are am, is and are. Move to the next page. Here you can see the words am, is and are tells us what I am or the dog is or what the chairs are. They do not tells us I, the dog and the chairs are doing. ये वर्ड्स जो हैं ये हमें ये नहीं बता रहे हैं कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं. इज एम आर जो है ये वर्ड्स ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो हमें ये नहीं बता रहे हैं कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं यार. दे आर नॉट डूइंग वर्ड्स. व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग, दे टेल्स अस व्हाट आई एम और द डॉग इज और व्हाट द चेयर आर. मतलब मैं क्या हूँ, डॉग क्या है एंड चेयर क्या है, ये हमें बता रहे हैं. कौन बता रहे हैं, ये वर्ड्स बता रहे हैं, है ना. आई एम अ डांसर, द डॉग इज हियर यू कैन सी. आई एम अ डांसर, द डॉग इज वेरी एक्टिव, द चेयर्स आर न्यू, है ना. ये ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो इनके बारे में बता रहे हैं. ये नहीं बता रहे हैं दैट ये क्या कर रहे हैं. ये मेरे बारे में एम बता रहा है कि मैं क्या हूँ, डॉग के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि डॉग क्या है, चेयर के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि चेयर क्या है. ओके, बिकॉज दैट्स वाई दे आर ऑल्सो am, is and are also verbs. इसलिए ये भी verbs हैं. Other similar verbs are was, were, shall be, will be and so on. Okay, other verbs जो होते हैं वो भी हैं was, were, shall be and will be. Here you have to write this also. Verbs also tells us what a person, animal or thing is. Okay, now you have to write down this definition also in your notebook. Next, B exercise. Underline the verbs in the following sentence. Here just we have to underline the verbs like is, am, are, was, were, shall be, will be. Monica is a good girl. Is verb. Meena and Veena are sisters. Are, the dress is gorgeous. Is, underline is. Rest of the exercise you all have to do, students. Okay, now move to the next topic. Has and have. Read the sentences. Mona has a new pen. We have a new pet. The word has and have tells us that what Mona and we have or possess. They do not tells us that what Mona and we are doing. Here we can see जो has and have है, यहाँ पे has and have ये भी verb है. क्यों है verb? Because they are telling that मोना के पास and हमारे पास, मोना and we के पास क्या है, जो भी है उनके पास ये बता रहे हैं. बिकॉज दीज वर्ड्स आर टेलिंग समथिंग अबाउट मोना एंड वी, दैट्स वाई दे आर ऑल्सो वर्ब्स. इसीलिए ये भी वर्ब्स हैं. बिकॉज ये बता रहे हैं ये वर्ड्स कि मोना के पास एंड वी के पास क्या है. वी हैज़, मोना हैज़ न्यू पेन, वी हैव न्यू पेट. ये हमें बता रहे हैं पोजेस की कौन सी चीज़ हमारे पास में है. दैट्स वाई दीज वर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो वर्ब्स. Has and haves are also verbs. Had is another verb of the same type. Had भी है लेकिन वो एक another verb है इसी तरह का, same type. Now verbs also tells us what a person, animal or thing has or possess. यानी कि verbs हमें बताते हैं कि किसी person या फिर animal या thing के पास क्या है और क्या वो रखते हैं. Number C exercise. Underline the verbs in this sentence. Tanu has long hair. Here we can see has. Underline has. Doll has blue eyes. Underline has again. रेस्ट ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज यू ऑल हैव टू डू. सब कंप्लीट करेंगे ये एक्सरसाइज अपने से, खुद से. We have learned about verbs which have only one word. Now let us read some sentences where the verb is made of more than one word. Read the sentences. अभी तक हमने सिर्फ एक वर्ड का वर्ब पढ़ा है. ओके, नाउ हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि एक से ज़्यादा वर्ड के वर्ब कैसे होते हैं. रीड द सेंटेंसेस. अभी इज प्लेइंग इन द पार्क. verb is playing made up of two words. Here is playing ये पूरा verb है. okay, the train will be reaching the station at 4 p.m. यहाँ पे verb क्या है? will be reaching. ये पूरा जो है वो है verb. okay, so now here we can do this exercise very easily. Like underline the verbs in the, here again we have to underline the verb. The stars are shining in the sky. Do you know which is the verb? Can you tell me that? Here, as I told you, we have to put underline are shining. Like you have to do like this, are shining. Okay, we are doing our homework. Vineet and Vishal are reading. So there are, here we can see two words which are making a verb. दो words मिलके एक verb बना रहे हैं. Are shining, are doing, are reading, is walking, am feeling. You all have to underline the correct verb here. Okay, you all have to do this exercise, all the questions by yourself. Move to the next page. Here we can see some pictures. Okay, so I hope that you all can do this exercise very well by yourself. Do this also. Now move to the next exercise. Here we can see. Now fill in the blanks with the words from the box. The boys dash in the garden. What is the answer? Play. The boys play in the garden. Number 1. The Mohini is number 2. Singing. I always, number 3. Walk to school. I have eaten my dinner already. 5th. The washerman dash our clothes. Number 5. Wash. Washerman wash our clothes. The baby was dash. Number 6. Smiling. The baby was smiling when it saw me smiling. Number 7th. Rohan is dash a picture. Number 7th. Rohan is drawing a picture. Number 8th. I dash my homework on time. Number 8th is do. I do my homework on time. Number 9th. The girls are dash outside. Number 9th is skating. No, girls are out skating outside. Number 10th, we will dash the ground at 10 p.m. Number 10th is reach. We will reach the ground at 10 p.m. 11th, Raj dash his father to wash the car. Raj helps his father to wash the car. Number 12th, they have dashed to meet the principal. They have come to meet the principal. Okay, so now students, next exercise, find out 8 verbs from the word grid. Here you have to find out 8 verbs. 8 verbs, find out. So I am putting HW here. You just have to do this by yourself. Now move to the next lesson is 16. Next chapter 16. Am is are. Here we will understand am is are in detail. I am a good singer. She is a teacher. The word am is and are verbs. As I told you in the last chapter. अभी last chapter में हमने समझा था is am are क्या होते हैं verbs ना. वर्ड्स दैट टेल्स व्हाट अ पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग इज. ये हमें बताते हैं कि पर्सन, थिंग और एनिमल क्या है. जैसे आई एम हैप्पी, मैं क्या हूँ, खुश हूँ. आई एम हर ब्रदर, मैं उसका भाई हूँ. इज, वीना इज अ स्टूडेंट, वीना क्या है कि स्टूडेंट. शी इज अ डॉक्टर, लाइक दिस है ना. दिस इज माई क्लासरूम. आर, वी आर प्लेयर्स, हम प्लेयर्स हैं. दे आर फ्रेंड्स. नाउ हियर मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज. चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट. You can see Mihika is oblique are a good girl. Which is the right answer? Is. Mihika is a good girl. I am a student of class 3. There are many stars in the sky. Rest of the questions you all have to do. Next is exercises. Fill in the blanks with is, are or am. I fly dash an insect. Can you tell me what is the answer? I fly. A fly is an insect. Okay, a fly is an insect. These books are. These books are interesting. Mrs. Mathur dash our class teacher. Mrs. Mathur is our class teacher. Okay, now rest of the questions you all have to do as I told you later. Now that's all for today's class, students. We will meet in our next class. Till then, complete your work. Take care of parents. Good day.